What's the use of love if all it does is break my heart? What's the use of running around head over heels if all it does is tear me apart? 'Cause I couldn't get out if I tried, and I'm stuck here. Happy birthday.
Wow!
Wait lang! Papalit lang si ate.
Hi guys! So today we're at the Bianca's private resort. So dito namin celebrate yung birthday ni Ate Crisan, which is my tita and my lola. So yeah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One, two, three, go!
No, swim na tayo. Tingnan na, please. Sagot, bigyan si Dali. Yes, after you blow, we're going to swim na.
Masabayan mo si Mami, tsaka si Mami.
One, two, three.
3, go. Yay!
Ah, wala.
Isa pa. One more. One more.
Malakas. No! Sabay kayo ni Nana.
Sabay kayo ni Nana. Okay. Sabay kayo ni Nana. Dali. Come on. Yay! Happy birthday, Candy! Happy birthday, Seiji!
Nawala si Dan. Tapos na. Happy birthday!
Digimon si CG. CG! Digimon ka daw. Digimon! CG din daw. O, CG, shoot ka. CG, shoot ka din.
and welcome to the... So without much further ado, let us put your hands together for the entrance of our birthday celebrant. Please all welcome our star of the day, Miss Natalie! Alright, guys, please give a big round of applause for our Miss Natalie. May thank you muna, wala? And guys, before we start the program, please stand up po tayo lahat for our opening prayer.
Sa blessing at sa momento in Facebook.
Thanks. Yun, boys. Yung tayo, ma'am. Miss agad, no? Ayan, okay guys. Once na sinabi mo ng maximum, arrange yourself according to your height. Ayan, mag-arrange na po rin from minimum to maximum. Okay? Walang mali dito guys, ha? Minimum to maximum or maximum to minimum. Laging sa harap lang po mag-i-start yung pag-arrange natin. Okay? Laging sa gitna lang. Dito sa harap lang. Okay? Best of 3 yung game. Una kang maka 3 points. Kung sino po yung una makaka 3 points, makaka-receive po ng super card. Ayan. Yung super card po natin worth 699 po siya pag binili nyo sa Shakey's. So dahil 18th birthday natin yung pang-prices natin sa inyo. Okay? Okay guys, bigyan mo kayo na pin. 5 seconds para mag-create po kayo ng mga group name. Go! Group name lang. Create kayo ng group name. Group name, grupo. Ano yung itatawag sa grupo nyo? Group name pa lang, meron na natin yung Pink Boys. Diyos ko, ano po? Tiger. Tiger. And guys, wala pa naman natin yung Team Tiger. And how about the girls? Magic 5. Parang tribune. Ayan guys, wala pa naman natin yung Team Magic 5. Alright? Guys, are you ready? Yes or no? Yes, okay. Sir, once natapos na po pala tayo mag-arrange, isi-scroll lang natin yung magic words. First round, listen. Minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum. Arrange yourself according to your birth month. Go! Birth month from January to December. Si Tate, parang so, una yung Team Tiger natin na sir, birth month. March? June? September? And September. Ayan, okay guys. 1-0 Team Magic 5. Habol tayo, ha? Okay? Next round, listen. Minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, maximum to minimum. Arrange yourself according to your size of your shoes. Go! I said maximum to minimum. Maximum to minimum. Okay? Nauna po yung Team Magic 5. I said maximum to minimum, ha? Ma'am, size of shoes. 8, 7, 5, and 5. Naman, nakikinig pala sila, no? Ayan, okay. All one. Guys, okay, next round is to maximum. Arrange yourself according to your birthday. Go! Pick from 1 to 21. Go! Sino na? Yung Team? Ayan, sino na? Yung Team Tiger. Sorry, ha? Reminder ko na lang may toxic match po ito at sa magiging loser. 58? Okay na sir, samahan ng tingin mo sa akin. Samahan ng tingin mo sir. 2, 1. Ayan. Sir, joke lang naman. Joke lang ako kapagalit ko sa akin. 2-1 tayo guys, 2-1. Okay. Next round, listen. Minimum to maximum, minimum. Dahil dyan, kayo na rin yung mag-game sa second game natin. Okay, dito po tayo. Ayan. Dito na lang po tayo. Ayan, pila kayo pakaba naman po. Okay? Ayan. Yung second game natin, guys, napakadali lang po. Tatanungin ko lang po kayo kung may mga kilala kayong Miss Universe or yung mga favorite yung Miss Universe. O, tunahin na kita, ma'am. Syempre naman, si Ma'am Pia Works pa. Next, ma'am. Syempre, first Miss Universe na Philippine, Ma'am Gloria Diaz. Kayo, ma'am. Diba? Oh. Balik dun sa kanan, mami. Balik sa kanan. Dun. Oh, post. Tapos sa center. Ayan, pakikal. Opo. Parang paano naman, guys. Kaya mo lang, relax lang si candidate number 1. May bakot pala. Tawa na tawa si Natalie, oh. Okay, next candidate, guys. Please all welcome our second candidate. Candidate number 2. May pag-ano na? Oo. Dahan-dahan mami, baka mapabali. Ayan, thank you so much, candidate number 2. Ang tikit naman ng mga candidate natin, ha? Okay, next candidate, please all welcome candidate number 3. Oh, bro. May pagpiling pa ng KitKat din, ha? Oh. Okay din, ma'am? Okay din. Okay, guys, please welcome our next candidate. Candidate number 4. Oh, di ba? Pop! Oh, pop! Oh, palakpakan naman natin. Ginalingan naman masyado ni candidate number 4, no? And last but not the least, candidate number 5. Oh, di ba? Boss? Boss, pasado pag sa kanan. Oh, di ba? Boss? Okay. Grabe naman yun, may paglumugay pa.
Imbis na mga kapatid pumunta, talagang nag-invite para maka-attend sa 18th birthday party. Ayun na lang nag-invite. Thank you.
Ayan, talagpakan naman natin yung favorite. Alright, guys, please stand loud together with the clock. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. One more time, guys. Happy birthday to you. Okay, Natalie. 1, 2, 3, and low. Alright, guys, please.